Do you want to speak English confidently in school, but you feel shy? Don't worry. Today I'm going to give you real classroom English lines that you can use from tomorrow morning. And trust me, by the end of this video, you will sound more fluent than ever. So let's start improving your school English right now.
Hello everyone and welcome back to Mr. English SH, the channel where learning English becomes simple, fun and part of your daily routine. I'm Sarah and today we're talking about a topic that many students struggle with: how to speak English at school. Yes, whether you're in middle school, high school or college, today's episode is going to help you speak English confidently in your school environment. So, sit back, relax, and let's start learning. Section 1. Why students struggle to speak English at school. Let's be honest. Most students want to speak English but they feel shy, or they think their classmates will laugh, or they worry they will make a mistake. Here's the truth. Making mistakes is normal. Everyone makes mistakes. That's how you learn. In fact, even native English speakers make mistakes. The first step to speaking English at school is accepting that it's okay to be imperfect. Section 2. Start small. Use simple daily sentence. You don't have to speak long, difficult sentences. Start with small and simple lines that you can use every day. For example, good morning. How are you? Can I sit here? May I come in, teacher? Can you help me with this? What's the homework today? Can I borrow your pen? These small sentences build your confidence. When you use English for simple situations, you slowly start to think in English. Section 3. Speak English with friends. Even for 2 minutes. Many students think, I will speak English only with the teacher. But the real magic happens when you practice with friends. Here's a simple rule. Every day speak English for just 2 minutes with a friend. You can talk about what happened in class, what you ate, your homework, your plans after school, a movie or song you like. 2 minutes every day equals massive improvement in 1 month. Section 4. Use the school environment. Schools are full of opportunities to practice English. For example, 1. Morning assembly. Speak one line in English. 2. In the classroom. Ask one question in English. 3. During group work. Suggest an idea in English. 4. With teachers. Use small sentences like, Sorry I'm late. Can you repeat that please? I didn't understand this. 5. During presentations. Use simple English slides. No need to speak fast. Slow and clear is best. Section 5. Use English phrases to sound fluent. Let me give you some easy phrases that students can use in school to sound more confident. Common classroom phrases. I agree with you. I have a question. I don't understand this part. Can you explain this again? Let's work together. That's a great idea. Can you check this for me? Phrases with friends. What are you doing after class? Did you finish the homework? Let's study together. That was funny. I liked today's lesson. These phrases are simple, but when used daily, they make you fluent naturally. Section 6. Think in English, not translate. One reason students struggle is because they think in their native language and then translate into English. This makes speaking slow and confusing. Instead, try to think directly in English for small things. For example, instead of thinking, मुझे पानी पीना है, then translating, just think, I want to drink water. Practice with simple thoughts. I'm hungry. It's cold today. My class is next. I need to study. I'm feeling sleepy. Small thoughts build your brain's English habit. Section 7. Practice speaking alone. Some students feel shy speaking in front of friends. That's okay. Speak alone when you're walking, getting ready, packing your bag, standing in front of the mirror, reading your notes, watching English videos. Talk to yourself about your day, your homework, your goals, your plans. Even 1 minute of self-talk every day builds fluency. Section 8. Watch and repeat method. When you watch English videos, don't just listen. Repeat after the speaker. It's called the shadowing method. Steps. 1. Play a small English sentence. 2. Pause. 3. Repeat the same sentence in your voice. 4. Copy the tone, style, pronunciation. Do this daily for 10 days and your accent improves naturally. Section 9. Overcome shyness. Shyness is the biggest barrier. Here's how to fight it. Start speaking with someone who supports you. Don't be afraid of judgment. Focus on progress, not perfection. Celebrate small wins. Smile while speaking, it boosts confidence. Remember, if you never speak, you will never improve. If you speak even a little, you will improve every day. Section 10. Daily school routine in English. Let me show you how your school day can sound if you use simple English. Morning. Good morning. How are you? Can I sit here? In class. Teacher, I have a question. Can you explain this again? With friends. What's our next class? Let's sit together. Did you finish the homework? Break time. Let's go eat. What did you bring? That was delicious. End of day. See you tomorrow. Have a good day. Imagine using just these sentences every day and your English will transform in 1 month. I want to remind all students listening, you don't need perfect grammar. You don't need a big vocabulary. You just need courage to start. Speak a little every day. Use English even when it feels uncomfortable. And trust me, one day you will thank yourself. Because speaking English is a skill that will help you in school, college, jobs, interviews, and your entire life. Thank you so much for listening to today's episode on Mr. English SH. I hope this podcast helps you speak English more confidently at school. If you enjoyed today's lesson, please subscribe, like, and comment what topic you want next. Until then, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep growing. See you in the next episode.